Welcome to Crypto News Hub. Sky Mavis, the firm behind play-to-earn heavyweight Axie Infinity, is looking to double down in South Korea and ramp up adoption despite the regulatory hurdles. Speaking with Cointelegraph at the Korea Blockchain Week on August 9, Sky Mavis co-founder and growth lead Jeffrey Zirlin stated that despite the domestic ban on P2E games still being in place, the Korean market is one of the most important gaming markets in the world, and we have tons of players in South Korea. Zirlin added that the company is currently looking at ways to tailor the Axie Infinity game to its cohort of Korean gamers. I think you know, we want to double down. We want to localize, for example, Koreans don't speak much English, right? So there are actually a lot of barriers to actually getting the game into the hands of Korean players. But a lot of our top players on the leaderboard are Korean. Koreans are some of the best gamers in the world, he added. South Korea Game Rating, an administration committee, prohibits the release of domestic blockchain P2E games as a result of strict anti-gambling policies. In December, the government also moved to prohibit Google Play and the Apple Store from listing such games in Korea. In terms of the regulation, it's still quite early. It's similar to the app stores where it's gonna be a process of negotiation and education, Zirlin noted, adding that he hopes P2E adoption is enough to sway the government to walk back its hawkish regulation in the future. Hit the subscribe button for daily crypto updates and watch these other videos as well. This is not financial advice. Trading involves risk. Do your own research or consult a financial advisor before you trade.